What's up, guys? It's Pandora, the Crypto Babe, Postcard Diva. How's everybody doing out there on this Friday? I hope you're having a marvelous day today. If you're here for the very first time, smash it. Smash that subscribe button for me and click that notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos. For everybody else, welcome back. All right, guys, if you haven't checked out this program on how to earn daily pay income, please, the link is in the description. Go check it out at www.thecopypastemethod.com. All right, so what I'm here to do today, though, is there has been a super important update that you guys need to be aware of. All right, for my folks that's already in the program, okay, for my digital marketers already in the game. All right, so let's talk about it. Let's go over that. Let's go. All right, I'm inside our private group of 10,000 members. All right, and this was posted on yesterday. All right, so let's go over this. It's very important, guys. Two very important announcements. I hope you guys are all settled down from the holidays. This is from the company. All right, and having a great start to the new year, starting today, which was yesterday, on the 11th of January 2024. Starting yesterday, there's a promo happening where anyone can upgrade to a higher level and only have to pay the difference to do so. Okay, so plus the update of the admin fee. Okay, so all you're gonna have to do is pay the difference in the admin fee. The end of this promo will end January 31st. All right, so for all of you guys that have gotten started and you want to go up to that next level, guys, all you have to do is pay the difference. So make sure you reach out to whoever you signed up with originally. For all my folks, reach out to me, send me the difference, and then you would just pay your admin fee for your website. This is awesome, let me tell you. All right, this ends January 31st. Okay, so I'm giving this to you on the 12th. All right, guys, so you've got what? How many days you got left? 19. All right, so get on this. This is a great opportunity. Otherwise, you have to pay the full amount. So for an example, for my folks that got started and purchased the 6-figure blueprint for $300, and now you want to go up to the premium, the top program, $600, all you have to do is send in $300. Pay the difference to whoever you signed up with, okay? Versus waiting to after January 31st and have to pay the whole $600, guys. That's a steal, okay? So that's the first update. Then the second update is there will be a live coaching session with the CEO. Will take place on Wednesday, January 17th at 10:30 a.m. PST time, okay, Pacific time, or 1:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, okay? And she's asking, what would you like the coaching session to be about? All right, so let's make 2024 a great year. All right, so I want to get that out to you guys. All right, so please reach out to me if you're ready to upgrade. And for everybody else, reach out to whoever you initially signed up with. All right, guys. All right, so let's take a look at those products real quick. For those of you that just needs a refresher, let's go over that. Before we go over those 4 products real quick. All right, we are promoting e-learning digital products, a $1 billion a day industry. The products you will be purchasing actually help solve people problems. They show people how to get daily pay customers. All right, the training that you're going to be getting. We show you step by step how to start a digital business online. This is an almost 3-year proven system, guys. Okay, 3 years old. So thousands of folks have already gotten results with it. So it's not on trial. It's not a test to see if it's going to work. It's been working. I've been showing you proof. I've been also showing you proof of other members that's doing this and have no experience as a digital marketer at all. We also have a private thriving community that I will add you to once you purchase one of the digital products. All right, we'll get you into that. I think we've got 7,200 paid members in our community right now. It's private. Only way you can get in is purchase one of those 4 digital products or actually pay a subscription fee of $47 a month. So everybody is a paid member. All right, and you definitely want that because it will help keep you in the game. You'll be able to see other folks' success. They'll inspire you. You get your questions answered. It's a whole nother free training community, basically. Okay, so you definitely want to be a part of that. We show you how to automate your business using a free marketing system. We give you the free marketing system. We show you step by step how to set everything up. We also give you a 2-hour work day plan, okay, showing you how to actually do income producing activities, get them done within a 2-hour work day so that you can earn $300 to $600 a day. Okay, no chasing friends and family is required over here. This is not network marketing. It's not MLM. All right, you don't have to inbox strangers on social media. You're gonna learn how to get leads of people that's interested in what you have to offer. We also show you how to create faceless branding, faceless videos if you don't want to be on video. Whole slew of great training, especially for the newbie friendly. You have no monthly expenses here, guys. One-time payment. All right, and you're able to earn these commissions over and over and over and over. We have mentoring and 5 live calls a week. If you miss those live calls, guess what? They're recorded in our community. You can go back and listen to them, and then you can get your questions answered in the community. All right, at any point in time. This community is running 24/7. All right. So great opportunity. Go to www.thecopypastemethod.com. Go check it out. Go see what it's all about. Now, let me show you the 4 products that we are promoting. All right, I'm going to show you the 4 products. All right, the top product, our #1 selling product, is the Premium Super Affiliate product. $600 one time. It'll be $600 plus your website fee of $59. The company is going to create a website for you specifically. All right, so $659 gets you all in. You get all 4 products. Okay, top of the line. This is the #1 product that is selling like candy. Okay, then the second top product is the 6-figure blueprint. It's going to be $300 plus $39 for your website. So it will cost you $339 if you get the 6-figure blueprint. If you get the 6-figure blueprint, then you get the other 2 lower levels. So then you'll have 3 income streams. If you get this one, you have 4, okay, because you get all 4 products. All right, so $339 gets you 3, and you're able to earn these $300 commissions over and over and over and over. You're also going to be able to get this one that's included. So if you start here, it's $150 for the Internet Automation Secrets plus $39. So you're looking at $189. This one will give you 2 income streams, this particular product and the one below. Okay, so $189. All right, then our starter is just what it says. It's a starter level to just get you started. You don't want to stay here though, okay? But it's $50 and it'll be $39 for your website. So $89, and this is the only product you will be able to promote and sell. All right, and make $50 over and over and over. All right, guys, so there you have it. Get in where you fit in. But if you don't want to leave any money on the table, 600 Super Affiliate is the way to go. Trust me when I tell you, 600 is nothing to sneeze at. All right, if you divide it 8 hours into 600, what's that? $75 an hour. Okay, so it's definitely, it pays itself off. I got my money back when I upgraded within the first 7 to 10 days, guys. Trust me, people love this particular product. Plus, you can make the most money. So you're going to learn a lot because you get a lot of training with this particular product, but you're going to maximize your income. Okay? These two. All right? But you decide. All right, guys, that's it. That's all. All right, and if you missed our last webinar that was on, what, day before yesterday? Was it Wednesday? I believe it was Wednesday. I'll put the link in the description. You can go check it out, and you can see real live testimonies from people that have had success with this platform that never even knew what digital marketing was, and they were able to just come in and follow the simple steps and get results. All right, so go check it out at www.thecopypastemethod.com. I'll put the webinar video link in the description. Go watch that as well. If you have any questions after you've done that, reach out to me. Would love to work with you guys. All right, thank you so much for checking out the video. Like the video, please, and thank you. And on your way out, guys, don't forget to smash it. Smash that subscribe button for me and click the notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos. Till next time, be safe out there. See you on the next video. Have a blessed day.